Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're on a gluten-free diet and tired of the same old snacks, you're in luck. We know how challenging it can be to find tasty and satisfying gluten-free options. Today, I'm sharing 5 delicious gluten-free snacks you can easily make at home. These recipes are not only simple but also packed with flavor and nutrition. Let's dive right in. Get ready to transform your snack game. First up, we have a classic favorite: banana oat cookies. These are super simple and only need 3 ingredients: ripe bananas, rolled oats, and a handful of chocolate chips. You probably already have these in your pantry. Just mash the bananas, mix in the oats and chocolate chips, form into cookies, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. The aroma will fill your kitchen with a delightful scent. They're chewy, sweet, and perfect for a quick bite. Plus, they're a great way to use up overripe bananas. Next, let's make some stuffed bell peppers. Cut your bell peppers in half and remove the seeds. Choose vibrant, colorful peppers for a visually appealing dish. Fill them with a mix of cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, and your favorite spices. You can get creative with the seasoning to suit your taste. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes until the peppers are tender. The quinoa mixture will absorb all the flavors, making each bite delicious. These are packed with flavor and super satisfying. They make a great snack or even a light meal. Moving on to something crunchy, let's make kale chips. Wash and dry kale leaves thoroughly, then tear them into bite-sized pieces. Make sure they are completely dry to get that perfect crispiness. Toss them in olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. You can also add other seasonings like garlic powder or nutritional yeast for extra flavor. Bake at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until they're crispy. Keep an eye on them to prevent burning. These are a great alternative to potato chips and so much healthier. Perfect for guilt-free snacking. For a more indulgent snack, try making no-bake energy balls. Mix together 1 cup of gluten-free oats, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/3 cup of honey, and a handful of mini chocolate chips. This combination is both delicious and nutritious. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. They're easy to make and perfect for on-the-go snacking. They're perfect for a quick energy boost. Great for a post-workout snack or a mid-afternoon pick-me-up. Lastly, we have a classic favorite: avocado toast. Use your favorite gluten-free bread and toast it to your liking. A good toast is the foundation of a great avocado toast. Mash an avocado with a bit of lemon juice, salt, and pepper, then spread it on the toast. The lemon juice adds a nice tangy flavor. Top with a poached egg, cherry tomatoes, or even some smoked salmon for an extra treat. The possibilities are endless. It's creamy, delicious, and oh so nutritious. Perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a snack. So there you have it. 5 amazing gluten-free snacks. 5 easy, delicious gluten-free snacks you can whip up in no time. These recipes are sure to satisfy your cravings and keep you energized throughout the day. Remember to subscribe for more tasty gluten-free recipes and let me know in the comments which snack you're excited to try first. See you next time. Happy snacking!